Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. In this video, I am talking about while loop and do while loop. So at first, we will see the syntax of the while loop. So you have to write the while at first and just put the condition inside the first bracket and put your code here inside the curly bracket. So as long as this condition is true, then the code inside the curly bracket will execute it. So let's take an example. So here I put a condition x less than 10. So as long as this condition will true, then the code inside the curly bracket will be executed. So here I just print the value of x. So I just type print ln and just type x, and now I increase the value of x by 1 in every step. So I have to use here increment operator. So x plus plus, that means x equal x plus 1. So the value of x will increase by 1 in every step. So as long as this condition will true, this code will be executed. So at first it will print value 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on. So if I run this, then you can see here. So at first the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when the value is 10, this is not less than 10. So up to this the condition is true. After that the condition is not true. That's why if I change it to 11, then 10 will be printed. Up to 10 will be printed. So you can see. Now friends, come to the do while loop. Do while loop is a variant of while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking the condition is true or not. So at first we will syntax the do while loop. You have to type the do and then just type the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket you have to write your code and then just type the while and just type the first bracket, and inside the first bracket you have to type the conditions. So here let's an example. So I just create a variable here var x equal 1, and inside the do I just print the value of x. So here I use just print ln, and now I increase the value of x by 1. So here I use increment operator, and now I will put the conditions x less than 10. Okay, so at first this block will execute it once and then check the condition is true or not. If the condition is true, then again this block will be executed. So I just run this code. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if I change the value to 0, that means the condition is not true, but the code will execute it at once because the code is before while condition. So I just run it. So you can see the 1 and it is executed once, okay, before checking this condition is true or not. If the condition is true, then again the code will be executed. So if I here put the 2, so you can see here is 1, because at first it will print 1, then check the condition x is less than 2 or not. If x is less than 2, then again print x equal x plus 1. So if I here put the 3, then you can see here 1 and 2. Okay, so remember friends, the code inside this curly bracket will be executed at least one time. Okay, then check this condition true or not. Okay, so this is the do while loop. Friends, thanks for watching. See you in next video.